What's up, hungry people? We're kicking off a new series today here in the Starving Chef's Kitchen. Food from books. First up, the lamb and plum stew from the Hunger Games. If this is something you'd like to see more of, leave your requests in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for even more recipes. The way Katniss talks about this stew throughout the Hunger Games series makes it sound delicious, no matter how dire her circumstances, especially at the start of chapter 23, where the stew is sent via sponsored parachute to Katniss and Peeta. We'll start by searing bone-in lamb shoulder chunks in oil. Then we'll add in pearl onions and chopped carrots and get those softening alongside the lamb. Season generously with turmeric, cinnamon, and cumin, alongside freshly minced ginger and garlic. Stir it all together, and once the garlic is fragrant and the onions are starting to soften, we'll toss in freshly foraged morel mushrooms and, of course, sweet, rehydrated plums with the pits removed. The mushrooms add a boost of umami flavor, and the plums bring out the sweetness of the lamb. Next, we'll stir in some of Haymitch's wine to deglaze the pot and add acidity before stirring in broth. Finally, toss in a bundle of fresh herbs collected from the forest outside of District 12's borders. Let the stew simmer until most of the liquids have cooked off and the bones fall out of the meat easily. This will take a few hours. Once ready, pick out the bones and remove the bundle of herbs. In the books, the chunks of tender lamb are always served over a bed of wild rice. In real life, this lamb dish is traditionally topped with cilantro, parsley, pomegranate seeds, and crushed almonds. This lamb and plum stew was one of the many dishes Katniss enjoyed at the Capitol, probably because it has simple flavors that likely reminded her of home. What fictional feast should I make next? Let me know in the comments below. If you like this recipe, don't forget to flip that sub button and ring the dinner bell so you can be notified of my latest recipes and foodie adventures that I post every week. Do you ever get hungry? You can find this recipe and many more with ingredient amounts and step-by-step instructions over on thestarvingchefblog.com. I hope you all enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next episode.